Carbohydrates are one of the three essential macronutrients that the human body needs to function properly, along with proteins and fats. Despite their importance, carbs often get a bad reputation in popular diet culture. Some diets encourage cutting them out entirely, while others stress the importance of choosing the right kind. So, how exactly do carbohydrates impact your health? Let's break it down in a balanced and science-backed way. To start, carbohydrates are the body's main source of energy. When you eat foods that contain carbohydrates, your digestive system breaks them down into glucose, also known as blood sugar. This glucose is then transported into your bloodstream and either used immediately for energy or stored in your muscles and liver for later use. Your brain, muscles, and other organs all rely on this fuel to function efficiently. There are two main categories of carbohydrates: simple carbohydrates and complex carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates are made up of one or two sugar molecules. They're found in foods like table sugar, candy, soda, white bread, and baked goods made with white flour. These carbs are quickly digested and absorbed, leading to rapid spikes in blood sugar and insulin levels. This can result in a burst of energy followed by a crash, something you may know as a sugar crash. Over time, consistently high blood sugar levels can strain the body's insulin response, increasing the risk of insulin resistance, weight gain, and type 2 diabetes. On the other hand, complex carbohydrates consist of longer chains of sugar molecules and take longer for the body to break down. These are found in foods like whole grains, legumes, vegetables, and fruits. Because they digest more slowly, complex carbs provide a more stable and sustained release of energy, helping you feel full longer and maintain steady blood sugar levels. Another important component of complex carbohydrates is dietary fiber. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that the body can't digest, but it plays a crucial role in maintaining digestive health. It helps regulate bowel movements, supports a healthy gut microbiome, and can even help lower cholesterol levels. Fiber also slows down the absorption of sugar, which helps prevent blood sugar spikes and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Carbohydrates also play a role in mental performance and mood. The brain depends heavily on glucose for energy. A consistent supply of healthy carbohydrates can support concentration, memory, and overall cognitive function. On the flip side, very low-carb or carb-free diets can sometimes lead to brain fog, fatigue, irritability, and difficulty focusing, especially when the body hasn't adapted to using fat for energy. Athletes and people with active lifestyles particularly benefit from carbs. During physical activity, especially high-intensity workouts, the body relies on stored glucose, called glycogen, in the muscles and liver. Eating carbohydrates before and after exercise helps replenish these stores, aiding recovery and enhancing performance. That said, the quality and quantity of carbs you eat matter. It's not just about cutting out all carbs or overloading on them. Instead, it's about making smarter choices. Whole, unprocessed carb sources like fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains offer a wide range of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, all of which contribute to better overall health. These carbs can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. It's also important to consider individual needs. Factors like age, activity level, medical conditions, and personal goals all influence how many carbs a person should eat. Some people do well on a lower carb diet, while others feel their best with a moderate or high intake of healthy carbs. The key is to listen to your body and aim for balance. In summary, carbohydrates are essential for your body's energy, brain function, and overall health. Instead of fearing them, focus on choosing high-quality, nutrient-dense carbs that nourish your body and support long-term wellness. Whole foods, plenty of fiber, and moderation are the foundation of a healthy relationship with carbs. When used wisely, carbs can be powerful allies in living an energized, balanced, and healthy life.